Hi everybody, today I will be teaching you 2 mango milkshake recipes. Let's start with the first one. For this one you will need some cold milk, 2 spoons of condensed milk. Notice I said spoons, not teaspoons or tablespoons. I'm using this instead of sugar, but you could use sugar if you want. And lastly, half a glass of mango puree. For decoration, I'm using some peeled almonds and some pistachio and a straw, but yeah. The first thing you should do is take your blender, forgot to say that, but yeah, your blender thing, and pour all of your mango puree. Careful. Good. Now we're going to pour those 2 teaspoons of condensed milk. Let that stop dripping. Here's 1. And I'll get the other one. There. Added the condensed milk. Now, Now let's add some of this milk. Just a bit, not that much. I have blended this together and I'm gonna give this a good mix and then I shall pour it into that glass. There. Now let's carefully pour this into that. That's a lot. Good. Now we're going to decorate this. This part is totally optional. I'm going to add my straw and then a few almonds and a few pistachios, maybe not. And few pieces of pistachio. There. Now, 1 mango milkshake recipe is done. On to the other. Now we're going on to recipe 2. For this, you will need almost the same ingredients. Same half a glass of mango pulp, same a bit of cold milk, same, except for this one, we're just gonna put a bit of condensed milk, and some vanilla ice cream and the normal almond and pistachio toppings. Now, as before, we started by adding this. What was this? Okay. There. I'll just keep that in there for now. Who cares about that spoon? There. Now we're going to add 1 spoon of condensed milk. We're not gonna add a lot in this one. And now our cold milk. We're going to add all of it, I believe. There. Now, I'm going to blend this. Now I've blended this milkshake. Let's pour it in. I'm not going to mix it this time. Ooh. That is a lot. I'm going to stop. Now we're going to add our vanilla ice cream. Just a bit because this is already overloading. Let's just hope this does not make a splash. Here, I may need to use another spoon. Here's 1 scoop. Okay, only 1 scoop of vanilla is enough. And now I'm gonna add the pistachio and then some almonds. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.